All right, I'm gonna give a quick review here for the Docom 90-liter laundry bag. This thing is awesome. I didn't know so much could go into a laundry bag, but the engineers hit it spot on this one. There's also a 115-liter laundry bag should you need anything larger, but I like the standard size here at 90 liters. Now, it is 15 by 15 by 31. Good size for that. I'll show you that by comparison for another laundry basket in just a little bit. This one, of course, is black. It also comes in beige, dark gray, light gray, dark blue, light blue, red, and then a regular gray. Now, onto the many nice touches that I was talking about earlier, starting with the aluminum built handles here. Nice, sturdy, good material, and more importantly, a soft grip here at the top. So it is so comfortable. It's kind of like a little rubberized, soft rubberized feeling there. Very comfortable to carry like this, and more importantly, comfortable to carry like this on your forearm if you want to carry more things in your hand. That is a very convenient touch. It is also the material itself on the outside. You can hear it there. It's a water resistant kind of slick feeling material. You're likely not to spill anything on this either, but it definitely looks like it'll be easy to clean should you do so. It's also collapsible like such, and it kind of goes flat like that should you need to store it anywhere, like on a counter, in a closet, or underneath a bed. And then lastly, it's freestanding even when it's empty. So when you open it up like this, and my floors aren't even that even here at this apartment, but when you open it up like this and let go, there you go. Doesn't even need any weight to be freestanding like that. Very convenient, looks great in a closet as such. Now to compare this 90-liter size with my old laundry basket, it's a little over halfway full this one is. Again, there is 115 liter should you need something larger than this, but let's go ahead and get a look. Again, it's 31 inches tall. Let's look at how full this gets compared to the old one. All right, I've emptied this one out. Again, it was a little bit over halfway full. Let's see where this one is. It looks like the clothes are right about here. So we're looking at just shy of 16 inches. So it looks like this carries about the same as that original one does, but just as much more convenient as a whole. It's not a hard plastic material. It's got these soft grip handles, and it's just kind of thinner and more thought out in design as a whole. I love this thing. And you can also turn it around if you don't want that laundry label and you want to store toys in here or CDs or books. It's got multi-uses in that regard. And with those soft handles, makes it easy to carry no matter how heavy it is. The Docom 90-liter laundry basket comes in all different kinds of colors, 2 different sizes, soft grip handles, aluminum handles, foldable, water resistant, freestanding when empty. So many great qualities, well thought out from the engineer's point of view. I highly recommend the Docom 90-liter or 115-liter laundry basket.